Best breakfast for diabetes. Do you have a diabetes? Then break your fast early to have the best breakfast. Do not wait. The time you get up, you are fasting the whole night because you were sleeping. So you need to break your fast. You can be having low sugars or you can be having a high sugar. If you have high sugar, that time also continuing your fasting is not a great idea because that will stress up your body. So you need to break your fast earlier. How do you break it? 1 glass of milk or maybe a small tumbler of tea or coffee is a good idea. But the proper breakfast should be the proper meals. 1 or 2 of idlis. If you're an Indian and South Indian is good. If you don't want to have idlis, maybe 1 dosa will do, but that should be oil free. You like non-veg? Probably egg white is a good idea, not the egg yellow if you have a diabetes. And yes, if you're North Indian and want to have a pulka, you can have 1 pulka in the breakfast. 1 pulka sa mera kya hota if you have a doubt. And I must tell you that your breakfast should be a balanced breakfast and you need to add green leafy vegetables, sprouts, or even for that matter, some kind of salads or the fruits. Yes, every breakfast there should be sprouts, 1 or 2 slices of various different fruits, and make sure you are taking fruits and not the fruit juices. If you are tuned to taking the fruit juices, probably your sugars will go out of the hands. Make sure you follow all these things. And in case your diabetes has led you into getting the kidney failure, make sure you have your proper diet sheet and follow whatever is written. Kidney failure patient needs to be very, very careful because their food can cause worsening of the creatinine as well as fruits will cause increase in potassium. So you need to have a proper prescribed diet and you need to follow that. Something good or bad about us Indians, we finish our whole day of salt intake in the morning breakfast. Just because we don't stop with 2 idlis or maybe with 1 dosa, we like to go for more and more and lots of chutney. You need to stay away from chutney if you have diabetes, hypertension, and if you do not want a heart attack or cancer in future, because our kind of spices is what cause us to have heart issues. So stay healthy, stay smiling, and stay blessed always. For anything else, reach out to me at 810-612-7475. I'm your host and host, Dr. Ashish Chauhan. And at the end of it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we want you to be safe and stay out of hospital by following us and viewing our videos. Do share it with every diabetic patient within your circle. Take care. God bless. Goodbye.